Okay, so I want to continue my video in live mode. Okay, so let's say you want to do it on live, because if you're doing some teaching, you need to run your computer in a normal mode. So that is the control 4. Okay, and you are now in the live mode. See, when we're pressing control 1, control 2, you can draw. You can switch it to the drawing mode. Okay. Press the right mouse, press escape to exit, and make sure when you right click the mouse, you can see your mouse pointer, meaning you are exit the drawing mode already. See? So if you have problem with shortcut keys, you can change the shortcut key based on what you want. In my live Zoom, I change Alt plus caret. See? Easy for my left hand control. Zoom. See? So let's do it on live. Control 4, and make sure this icon is running. If this one is exit, you cannot use it. Okay, so see in some option, you can see my live Zoom. I changed to Alt plus the caret on top of the tilde, your keyboard. So this is the live, because sometimes you want to type. Let's say you are teaching this operating system, so you have to type here. Okay, so you have to explain to your class. Okay, clear screen. Actually, last question mark. You have to learn all this stuff. I will teach this one on my next video, how to understand all this. This is the technique for programming. You need to understand all this. So that's it. So that's the live. You have a big screen computer, and you can navigate and scroll everything that you want. So in Zoomit, you did not press. If you press control 1, that is the drawing in live. So control 2, switching. Okay. Then won't press the control. You can increase your mouse, zoom in, zoom in, zoom out. See, you zoom in, zoom out the screen. If you want it on a full screen, you have to escape again. Because when you zoom it, the captured screen is the one you zoom. Okay. So this control 4 on and off. Right click of the mouse. So live, zoom. Switch to drawing mode, the live. You have to press control 1 or Alt caret, the one I show you, the one in my shortcut. I create my own shortcut. You can create also your own shortcut. It is based on your finger position, because control 4 is too far from me. So zoom out, zoom in, left click, drawing, right click, close. So in the previous video, I teach you increase and decrease your mouse up and down. Left, it's not working the left click here. You have to press the control 1 and or control 2 to switch in the drawing. That's the difference on live. Center the cursor. Remember this. Remember that control 1, control 2. in switching in live. Okay, I'll type here, control plus 1 and control plus 2. Okay, so these are the switching of drawing on live. Press escape and E to delete all. So same, if you're in drawing, you can do the whiteboard, escape, and press again the control 1, control 2 to switch on the drawing mode. You can do the K for the blackboard, and you can zoom it, escape again. So as long as you see your mouse button, you are in live mode. Remember that. Then if you want to pause and explain something, press control 1, control 2. In my side, I told you I changed my key, my live demo in Alt plus correct. Okay, so it's up to you. You can edit all of this key. Live demo time. Then the timer. See the timer here. The break. Oh, let's take a break. 10 minutes. So you show your timer on the window. It says control 3 in the shortcut, but you can do that once you are minimizing it. You have to minimize this one. And press control 3 for the time. Okay, so you drag your mouse going down, going up to adjust the time. Okay, class, we have to rest in our class for, you have 10 minutes break. Okay, like that. Press control 3. Yeah, it is in the escape to see. It is on the shortcut. You can see there is a control 3 here below. This is it. This is the control 3. That is the show countdown timer. Increase and decrease time. Control plus mouse is scrolling. Okay. So this graphing, you can test it. It's like control shift S in Windows, shift S in Windows. Okay, so this is how you teach on live. Press control 1. Okay, remember that. Control 1, control 2. You have to switch in the drawing. Pressing control 1, control 2. You cannot use on live the right click and the left click, see? That's the difference. Okay, remember this, the difference in live, you cannot, because in last time in control 1 zoom mode, you can use the left and right click. But if you are in the live, remember this, if you are using the live presentation, you have to use control 2 to switch in drawing. Okay, remember that. And the control 4 for control 2 for the drawing. For me is Alt caret and Alt 2. Alt caret is my live, and Alt 1. Alt 1 is my drawing, and control 2. What is Alt 1? Review your setting here and look for the Alt 1. You see, my Alt 1 is zoom. That is control 1. So control 1, control 2. I changed to Alt 1 because the position of my hand is easy for me to use Alt than control. Okay, so That is the technique in using live. Remember that. There's control 1 and control 2 to switch in the drawing. And then you can apply what you learn, the centering, the texting, the drawing arrow, drawing the arrows, the tab for ellipse, the control for rectangle. Just memorize those shortcuts. Okay, so that's the technique on live. And you can apply what you learn on the first video. Okay, so thank you for watching. I'll teach you how to use the Zoom on live.